Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay. So usually we will be opening for offline also, but due to the COVID-19 situation, we are not open in offline. Only the online orders are accepted. But if some person will like to get the orders offline itself, so you can place the orders in online. That means you can check the products over online. You can choose the product and you can get it delivered at offline. Okay, you can come to the nearby location and you can collect it. So that's how we are processing. So we deal with different types of sarees and dress materials, all at the affordable ranges and reasonable price ranges. Okay, so today I have some Malmal cotton sarees and Bhagalpuri art silk sarees, that is a low range saree. Okay, so the Malmal cotton sarees are priced at 800 rupees and the Bhagalpuri art silk sarees are priced at 400 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, so for multiples please refer with me. Okay, the calculation will be a little confusing for you, so you can refer with me for multiples. Okay, so my WhatsApp number is 91505 56870. You can take the screenshots of all the orders and WhatsApp me at my number, or you can inbox me to my pages as well. So I will go with the sarees now. So this is the first saree. All of them are Malmal cotton, but this sarees has a silky finish too. Okay, just a minute, I will have the video correctly. Okay, so these are the sarees. This is the first saree. I actually had another shade in the same saree. It's a pink with green, but that got sold before the live itself by an offline customer. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this is the first saree. The fabric is a Malmal cotton, but the fabric has a silky finish. Okay, the finish is silkiness, but the fabric is a Malmal cotton. It's very good. It's very soft, very smooth. Okay, it's very soft, very smooth and very silky as well. So this is the first design. The fabric is a Malmal cotton saree, but it has a silky finish. Okay, than the video and the picture, if you see it in real, you can actually feel the silkiness. Okay, this product has been immediately picked by a local customer. Okay, for in the other shade. Okay, this is the first one. This is the pallu. Okay, this is how the pallu will be looking, and this is the blouse piece. Okay, you have a printed, all of them are printed designs. Okay, this is the blouse piece. This is the pallu. Okay, this is pallu, and this is the body part. I actually had another shade, but it got sold out. So this particular design, only this particular color combination is available, green and red. I will show you the pallu again. So this is the pallu part. All of them are printed and priced at 800 rupees. The fabric is a Malmal cotton. It's a very soft and smooth and silky. This has a silky finish as well. Okay, priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So please take the screenshots for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me or inbox me to my page. I have given the direct link of my WhatsApp as well. So you can WhatsApp me without saving my number as well. So this is the first set, priced at 800. It's a light green with red shade. Okay. So I'm moving to the next one. So this is the next one. The design will be like a Chanderi model, but the fabric is a Malmal cotton with silk finish texture. Okay, the texture will be silky and smooth. Okay, this is the second set. This is the second. Okay, olive green color, mehendi green color, very soft fabric. And this is the pallu. The fabric will be very soft. Okay, the quality will be very good. And you have the printed blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. And the body part. This is how the body will be looking. Okay, pallu, blouse and body part. This is a kind of a mehendi green or olive green shade. All of these are priced at 800. Okay, so this is the body part. The entire design of the body will be the same. Okay, you have about all of them are printed sarees. The same design, another color, that's a full green. It has the color of a brown as well. Okay, the same design. The design is same, but you have the color of a brown here. And the pallu, a green and brown combination. And the blouse piece, a printed blouse piece along with the saree design. So for all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshots. COD is also available for all my products. COD charges is 100 rupees extra. You have to calculate the total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 rupees per order. Okay, per order it is 100, not per product. Okay, for COD per order 100 rupees extra is applicable. So this is the next saree. Please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me or inbox me. And this is the next design. So all of them are fancy designed. Okay, this is the next one. The fabric is Malmal cotton, but it has a very silky finish. The finish is very silky, but the saree is very, very smooth and soft. Okay, this is the pallu part. All of them are printed sarees. And you have the fancy blouse. Okay, the blouse is very fancy. This quality you can see only in the real. Okay, in the video, in the picture, if you see, it might be a little different, but in reality the saree texture is very, very fine. So this is the next one. Okay, it's a red and green shade. I'm showing you the blouse piece again. Okay, this is the pallu, blouse and the saree. Okay, please take the screenshots for all the enquiries. I had same design 2 sarees. The first design alone, the one saree has been sold out by a local customer. And this is the next one, the same design. It's a green and yellow combination. So it's a green and yellow combination, the same design. Okay, all of these sarees are priced at 800 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. And the blouse piece, pallu, blouse and the saree. Okay, we are not giving any extra effects. Only the tube light and the sunlight effects are there. Okay, in all the photos and videos as well. We try to give the actual color as much as possible in pictures. Okay, but in 1 or 2 cases there might be slight variations. So if you have any confusion on the color, please you can always check with me for more images. So these are the collections in Malmal cotton. Next one is a Bhagalpuri silk, art silk, priced at 400 rupees. Okay, that ikat pattern. This pattern has been circulated for almost some months. Okay, this is the fabric Bhagalpuri art silk. Okay, the fabric is a Bhagalpuri art silk. It has a rough and soft texture. The texture will be very rough and also soft. Okay, at the same time. And okay, I will show you the pallu. So this is the pallu part. Okay, It's all printed. Okay, it's printed as like a khadi design, but it's a printed design. So this is the pallu part, and you have the blouse, a printed design blouse. So this is a blouse. It's a light green with dark green combination. Okay, it's a light green with dark green combination. Priced at 400 rupees. The texture will be soft, but also a little roughness will be there. Okay, it's a ikat design. The design is a ikat design. Ikat design. Okay, so the design is ikat design with a khadi like pallu, but all printed. The fabric is a Bhagalpuri art silk. Okay, so this is the next one. Okay, the fabric texture will be a little roughness, and also at the same time you have the softness also. Okay, this is the next one. The same design. We have different colors. The first one I shown you is a green combination, and this one is a beige with red combination. The design will be the same, but only the color will be varying. Okay, so this is the body part. It's beige with red combination. All the designs are ikat designs, printed designs, and you have the pallu like this. Okay, so this is the pallu, and the blouse piece. Okay, the fabric is a Bhagalpuri art silk. It has a soft texture, but also a little roughness will be there. Priced at 400 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Okay, next one is a mustard color with a black. So this is the body part. I will quickly walk through the sarees because the designs are same, only the colors are different. So this is the next one. It's a mustard with black, and the pallu and the blouse piece. Okay. So this is the design. Okay. This is mustard with black combination. It has a silky texture. Okay, these sarees has the silky texture. A little roughness is there. Okay, not very much. It's a little roughness is there, and softness is also there. Okay, this is the next one. It's a pink and black combination. So this is the pallu. Okay, it has a pink and black color pallu, and you have the design. Okay, it's actually inverted. So this is the saree body part. Okay, the design is a ikat design. It's a printed design, and this is the pallu and the blouse piece. Okay. This is how the saree will be looking. It's a pink with black. The same design. The next one is a brown with dark brown combination. So this is the body part. It's brown with dark brown. Okay. The fabric is a Bhagalpuri art silk. Priced at 400 rupees. Okay, this is the blouse piece and the pallu. Okay, so this is how the pallu will be looking. It's a ikat design, a very famous design, but the fabric is Bhagalpuri art silk. It's a printed design. Okay, so this is the next one. So blouse piece. Okay, a brown shaded, dark brown shaded, coffee brown shaded blouse piece. And the pallu and saree. Okay. So the shipment is happening all over India and worldwide also. So the shipping charges depends upon the location. So this is a blue color one, a sky blue and dark blue combination. And the pallu Okay, the designs are all same in this kind of sarees, only the color is different. Okay, the blouse piece. Okay, so this is the last saree I have for today. So the first one is Malmal cotton, that also has a silky texture, but you can use it for regular wear also. So that are priced at 800 rupees, and these are Bahalpuri art silk. It has a roughness and also a soft texture with a silky finish. These are priced at 400 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available across India. COD charges you have to calculate 100 rupees extra. Okay, so total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 is applicable for COD orders. For prepaid orders, just the shipping charges and the product cost. So you can I have mentioned the WhatsApp direct link of so you can communicate directly without saving my number. Also, you can refer all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog. So that's all guys. Stay tuned, stay connected. Please like my page for all the more new live updates. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.